Hey friends, Tina Lala here with Megan, and welcome back to DTLalaland. Well, this weekend was crazy. We had the whole weekend over at Destination D23 at Coronado Springs. We had so much fun.
It was my first time doing it, and I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, there were so many celebrities there. We saw so many people. We met so many of you there. It was so great to meet so many people. Big shout out to Kathy and Mike, Kelly and Brian, our new friend Megan, who had awesome Clone War outfits each day, and our amazing cast member Jordan. Hi to everybody that we saw there. It really was a lot of fun meeting everyone.
Going shopping.
A lot of shopping. There's so much shopping that was happening. We can't wait to go next year. Here are the dates. Make sure you mark your calendar. We'll be there. But what we're here today to talk about is all of the releases that they announced, whether it be theaters or a series or movies on Disney Plus. Stick around to the end for a surprise visit from a Disney legend you won't want to miss. So we're just going to jump right into it.
So first we have the new movie coming out next year in March. It's called Hoppers, directed by Daniel Chung. Basically, this movie is like, what if we could understand animals' minds? We saw Piper Curda, who's voicing Mabel, who's a young girl who transfers her consciousness into a robotic beaver to explore the animal world and uncover mysteries. We also saw King George, who's going to be voiced by Bobby Moynihan.
That was so cool that they actually had the actors who were going to do the voices, that they had them there.
It was cute because Bobby came out in a little crown and he goes, "I am the king." And I was like, yeah, you are. It was kind of cool to see them come out and support not only their fans, but the movie. The film also features the voice of John Hamm. They showed a lot of concept art from the movie, and honestly, it looks pretty interesting to me. When I saw the previews that they had come out, I thought they were pretty funny. Especially when they were, I don't know if I can even talk about them, but especially the one that was...
I do have a trailer. Before Megan says anything and gives it away and we get into trouble, we have a trailer of Hoppers, and here it is.
We've done it, Mabel. After years of work, this revolutionary technology gives us unprecedented access to the animal world. We put this into this. Yes, this into this. This into this.
So let me get this straight. You created a fake animal.
Yes.
Which makes the other animals think you're an animal.
Yes.
Guys, this is like Avatar.
This is nothing like Avatar. Mabel, be careful. Whoa.
Hey.
How you doing,
girl?
Are we vibing?
What's up? What's up?
I understand you.
What you doing, lady?
And they were in the same den.
No.
Nice sunny spot you got here.
Uh-huh. Lunchtime!
Oh, no.
Yay!
No! Put him down! Okay.
Why?
Huh? Why what? Why would I save his life?
Yeah.
Yeah, why would you do that?
Wait, what? But she was gonna eat you.
Well, yeah, she caught me. It's pond rules.
Mm-hmm. Pond rules.
Wait, I'm confused. How could you be cool with that?
I mean, she's gotta eat someone. So, do you still wanna?
That's weird now.
Another one that they announced that was really big was the Star Wars Lego Rebuild the Galaxy series. Now, there is another 4-part series that is coming up. It is called Pieces of the Past, and this is the next stage from that Rebuild the Galaxy series. It's going to feature the return of the cast: Dan Stevens, Ben Schwartz, Bobby Moynihan. It's scheduled to premiere on Disney Plus on September 19th of 2025. And here's the trailer.
Hi! We're all back! A little while ago, I accidentally mashed up the galaxy we all know and love for good. Good guys became bad guys.
You insolent child.
Bad guys became good guys.
I find your abundance of faith encouraging.
It turns out I kind of like this new galaxy.
This could still be a good thing.
is Solidus. I've spent countless eons gathering power to unmake this galaxy once and for all.
Stop breathing so loudly, Vader. You'll blow our cover.
We have to defeat Solidus before the rift goes critical.
If Dev and I join together, wow. Maybe we can beat him.
We can't trust a Sith. Sith treachery is legendary. Legendary!
Can we just get to the fighting already?
The next movie that they already talked about that was coming out is called Mandalorian and Grogu, which is a movie coming out next May.
A movie, not a series.
Correct, a movie.
Oh, wait. I have a trailer for the new Mandalorian movie right here.
Grogu. The Mandalorian path is a journey of self-discovery, where the echoes of the past illuminate the way forward.
Messy. Very messy.
You think the Empire's gone? It's lurking, rebuilding. It's coming for your republic, for all of us.
You must be careful what you say.
We started hearing whispers about Thrawn's return as heir to the Empire.
The New Republic believes it has won the war, but victory is an illusion.
And for those who are fans of the Predator is coming back in Predator Badlands, which is scheduled to release in theaters in November 7th of this year. Dakota Fanning is in it.
It's really cool.
Yeah, the trailer they showed us was super fun.
And I have a trailer for Predator right here.
So this is your first hunt. And you've come to the most dangerous planet in the universe. You're after a creature that can't be killed. The definitive apex predator. I could help you. Well, good luck with your journey. Here, you're not the predator. You're the prey.
For our Ice Age fans out there, we have a new Ice Age movie coming out. It's the 6th installment of this franchise. It's called Boiling Point, coming out February 2027. All of our favorite characters are coming back, including Scrat, and Scrat has a new friend.
He does.
He does. It's a little baby Scrat, but, like, I don't know what that Scrat's relationship is, like, that baby Scrat's relationship is to Scrat, but we'll see.
Cool. Cool. Cool.
It feels like yesterday. A little one in my care. The first time I understood what family really meant.
I remember you. My first family.
You mean more things with sharp teeth? Didn't we already do this?
This isn't weather. It's Something's coming up from under the ice.
If we're going to survive this, we need every tusk, every claw, and every spear.
Okay, one of the big announcements that they made was this new movie called Hexed. And it's a magical story that follows a teenage boy and his mom who discover his weirdness is actually hidden magic. It transforms them to a world where magic can run free. This is going to be in theaters in February of 2026. And the only blip we have is this concept art and the logo, but it does look really, really interesting.
The last movie that's coming out, we all know it's coming out, but Zootopia 2.
Notice that all of our favorite characters are returning for this next chapter. There's Chief Bogo, there's Clawhauser, Gazelle, that naked yak will be back, Judy's 278 brothers and sisters, Mr. Big, his daughter Frou-Frou, and this guy. That's right. Flash the Sloth will be back, but of course, at the heart of our story are these two. Judy Hopps and Nicholas Wilde, our hero Bunny Cop and her Fox con artist pal, who are now the ZPD's newest rookie cop partners. Okay, so let's get into the story, which picks up right where we left off. Judy and Nick have just cracked the city's biggest case, and Nick has now joined Judy as a rookie cop. And the question of this movie is whether these two animals, who are so different, really have what it takes to make it in the long run. In other words, if the first movie was their honeymoon, this movie is what moving in feels like. It's a little bumpy, you discover some interesting things about each other. How is that going for them? Well, if you've seen the full trailer, you may have noticed that Nick and Judy seem to be in some kind of partner counseling. Well, there's a reason for that. When the movie starts, Nick and Judy are on a case undercover. Looks a little like this. And they're trying to bust a smuggler, but it does not go well, leading to a chase through town. So, for the very first time that we are showing this anywhere, here is our opening scene, a very relaxing car ride through Zootopia. Chief Bogo is not thrilled about what just happened, and he benches them from any new cases. But, of course, Judy is never one to back down. She wants to get back in good graces with Chief Bogo and prove that she and Nick are truly a great team. And in true Judy fashion, she goes back through the evidence from that chase and discovers that what was actually smuggled in was a dangerous snake, a pit viper. And now he is in town for a very specific reason, to steal a priceless piece of Zootopian history, which is this antique book. Now, why a snake wants this book, Judy doesn't know, but she learns it will be on display at the fanciest party in town, the Zootennial Gala. And I will tell you, this venue is the fanciest thing that we have ever built, and it's got some real fancy guests, including a character who is already lighting up the internet. Let's take a quick look at Zootopia's new mayor, the one and only actor turned politician, Brian Windancer. All right, I'm excited for the Disney-bounding version of this. Brian Windancer is a lot to take in, as is the man who plays him, an incredible actor, a legend who has helped us soar around the world. One of the studio's greatest villains is Wingman, a wingman who can make a mean spinach puff and talk squirrel. The voice of Kronk, and now Zootopia's Mayor Brian Windancer, Patrick Warburton. Patrick Warburton, can you tell us about Mayor Windancer?
Well, of course,
politician, yes. He's never been a mayor before, but he had been one on TV. Yes. What was his biggest hit? Well,
Mayor Winchester's key line when he was an actor was, you say justice is dead, I say nay. And Patrick came in to record that line, but he had some ideas. Can you tell us about those ideas?
We weren't sure how big to go, I guess, with the nay, so... I'm not sure which one we used.
He did 80 of those, all of which are amazing, which you'll be able to see in the Naysayer Part 2, which is part of this film, so please enjoy that. I gotta say, anything else you'd like to say to everyone?
Jared, thank you for letting me be a part of this. I've been a Disney file my entire life, ever since I was a child, 30, 40, 50 years ago. Just like everybody in this room, Disney's it's just part of my soul and my life, so it's just been such an honor and pleasure to work with you and be part of this. And so, yes, I'm just so pleased. This is so exciting for me to be a part of Zootopia too. But I love being here with all of you, hardcore Disney fans.
We love you,
and it's just been such a joy.
Well, I gotta say, I cannot wait for you guys to see Mayor Winchester in this movie. He is a scene stealer every moment you spend time with him. Ladies and gentlemen, Patrick Warburton.
Wow. I think I want to move to that town.
I'm excited that Patrick Warburton's coming back to work on his craft.
That was pretty cool that he was there at D23. I mean, your mind must have been blown.
I was so excited.
Yeah.
The fact that he walked out, he was just like, he started doing horse sounds, like started neighing, and I was like, this is funny. I was like, this is good. I like it. This is great. But I'm really excited for this new Zootopia to come out.
Yeah. Well, what'll be cool is the Zootopia 2 over at Animal Kingdom, that's replacing It's Tough to Be a Bug over in the Tree of Life. That should be opening soon, right?
So November 7th.
That's going to be opening. So that will be really great. We'll be able to get kind of a glimpse into what that movie might have in it. Yeah, so a lot of really great things. I can't wait to hear down below, what are you most excited about? We did already give you that update that Toy Story 5 is coming out. All of your friends are returning, but Conan O'Brien is coming as like a poop thing, right?
He's a smarty pants.
Smarty pants. To try to teach kids how to go to the bathroom. So check out that video down below. I'll put the link to the Toy Story 5 video so that you can watch that update. But otherwise, again, let us know down in the comments, what of all of these movies are you most excited about?
And until then, join the magic, live the adventure, and we'll see you in the Disney parks. Bye, friends. We saw Piper.
We're never going to get through this. It's the first one.